Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn a very interesting English expression, kissing up. If you want to improve your spoken English and sound more natural in conversation, this lesson is for you. Let's begin. What does kissing up means? Kissing up means trying too hard to please an important person so that you can get some benefit, favor or special treatment. In Hindi, we can say चापलूसी करना और खुशामद करना. For example, he is always kissing up to the boss. This means he is trying to impress the boss by excessive praise. Is it formal or informal? Kissing up is an informal expression. You can use it while talking with friends or in casual conversation. For example, stop kissing up to the teacher. However, in professional situations, it is better to use formal alternatives. Formal alternatives, instead of saying kissing up, you can say flatter, seek favor with, curry favor with. Example, she flattered her manager. This sounds more professional. Polite versus kissing up. Being polite is good. For example, thank you for your help. But saying you are the greatest person in the world just to get something from someone may sound like kissing up. Daily speaking practice. Repeat after me. I don't kiss up to anyone. Hard work is better than flattery. Some people kiss up to get favor. She is being polite, not kissing up. Excellent. If you learned something new today, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Let me know in the comments which English phrase you want to learn next. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video. Keep learning, keep growing and keep speaking English with confidence. Thank you. Good night.